Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Pisces. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Today we'll be picking one card for your moon energies, guys. This is the card. I will leave it here. And one card, your fortune cookie for today, Pisces. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Pisces. So let's start with these cards here. We have Wheel of Fortune, Five of Pentacles, and King of Pentacles in reverse. So, in your circumstances, guys, Pisces, in your work or in your relationship, you are a very loving and caring person, kind and compassionate person. So, in your work or in your personal life, with the people you are with, you are very caring, trying to help them in every way. And today, you are trying to be nice, trying to do things the right way, trying to help this person, maybe the person you love. And you are showing your kindness, your compassionate nature to this person, helping them. But whatever you do, this person is not, does not know your worth. Maybe they do not see things, see you as a good person. Maybe they are thinking of you as someone trying to use them. Maybe they are in a good position, and maybe they see you as someone trying to use them financially or for some other reason. And it may be your energy or their energy, guys. Maybe you are sick or they are sick. So there is a chance of some illness today, or it may be some habits you have, or it may be some habits they have. So that is the reason you are forgiving them each and every time whenever they are really bad to you. So you try to forgive their mistakes, and you try to, be really friendly, kind towards them, feeling really sad for them. You pity them, guys. That may be the, reason you are here with them after all they did to you, guys. Maybe they are not treating you well, and in this relationship you have a lot of troubles. Things are not going as expected. Maybe this person is really treating you badly, and the reason may be their addictions or their illness, or it may be destiny, guys. The reason for the way things are going, destiny or karma. So it may be your energy or their energy. So whatever you did, maybe in your past or in your past life, maybe something bad, that is coming back to you, guys. Maybe destiny backfiring, or um, it's just playing its part today. Maybe because of you, your destiny, or their destiny here. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is Three of Wands in reverse. So with this card, it just means that in your situation, Pisces, it's a very positive card. Whatever we were speaking about, destiny or karma, that destiny is ending, guys. So maybe if you are in some argument or some fight, whatever it is, all that is disappearing. End of troubles for y'all. So no more negative destiny or negative karma for you all today, guys. Just positivity. Maybe if you are in separation, you are going to see this person coming back to you, and there is a reconciliation for you guys. Or if you are in a relationship and maybe you are not on talking terms to each other, maybe things will uh, what to say, resolve whatever issues you have in this relationship. So for your career situation, Pisces, we picked one card, Seven of Cups in reverse. So in your work situation, you have a lot of dreams and goals for yourself. And today, all those dreams and goals are what to say, reaching success, are moving towards what to say, beginning to manifest for you. So whatever plans you have for your future, you are seeing the beginning right now in your life, in your career situation, guys, Pisces. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. So for your moon energy, Pisces, we picked one card, Surrender to the Divine, full moon. So with this card, it just means that there is some kind of a completion with this card. So things are taking moving at a faster pace. There is some kind of a turning point today, and it may be something like an emotional explosion you are seeing today. And whatever you are asking for, whatever situation you are thinking of, it is coming to a conclusion, guys. Some kind of answer. It may be an yes or a no answer very soon. And this is a very positive card, guys. So whatever you were hoping for, that is what is going to come towards you. And it is time for you to let go of all that past and move on positively with this person. Forgive them if that needs to be done, and release all that negative energy. And whatever wishes you made is going to come true, guys. Again, this card is relating to the previous cards, guys. With the previous cards we saw reconciliation, and this card is proving that for you all today, Pisces. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So let us see what is the fortune cookie for you all today, Pisces. Society, say yes to all the wonderful invitations coming your way. Excellent networking opportunities and new love interests for singles will be the result. So, a very positive, lucky inspiration for you all, Pisces. So, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.